Psalm 133 verse 1, how good and pleasant it is when God's people live together in unity. Ephesians 4 verses 2-3, be completely humble and gentle, be patient, bearing with one another in love. Make every effort to keep the unity of the Spirit through the bond of peace. Colossians 3 verses 13-14, bear with each other and forgive one another if any of you has a grievance against someone. Forgive as the Lord forgave you. And over all these virtues put on love, which binds them all together in perfect unity. Proverbs 15 verse 1, a gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. Romans 12 verse 18, if it is possible, as far as it depends on you, live at peace with everyone. 1 Peter 3 verse 8, finally, all of you, be like-minded, be sympathetic, love one another, be compassionate and humble. Matthew 18 verse 19, again, truly I tell you that if two of you on earth agree about anything they ask for, it will be done for them by my Father in heaven. Galatians 5 verses 22-23, but the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Against such things there is no law. James 3 verse 18, peacemakers who sow in peace reap a harvest of righteousness. Joshua 24 verse 15, but as for me and my household, we will serve the Lord. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.